I wanted to have an answer why there was spiritual dryness totally in the church age. I didn't know Pastor yet, but I saw him in the first program when I tuned in. He was preaching that the church age is closed since April 13, 2005. That was the starting point. That message triggered everything. It triggered the change from within. Because really, I was looking for salvation.
Ng araw po muli sa inyong lahat.
Magandang araw sa lahat ng mga anak ng Diyos at tagapakinig ng ating programang Powerline.
Simple lang naman ang mensahe ng hinirang na anak ng Diyos. Kailangan ng tao na magsisi at isuko ang kanilang sariling kalooban sa amang makapangyarihan upang maligtas.